Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a going out video for you guys. You could wear this look pretty much anywheres. If you wanted to get dressed up, you could wear it to the movies, you could wear it to dinner, you could wear it to church if you wanted to. You could basically wear this look anywheres. The eyes aren't too dramatic, it's just the lips that give it like a good pop. So stay tuned and keep watching if you want to know how I got this look. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing like a glam look. I'm gonna do like a brown kind of sparkly look on the eyes, and then I will do a red lip. So let's get into it. The palette that I'm going to be using today is my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Ultimate Artistry Shadow Palette. I've used it in the previous video, and we're going to try some different colors. So this is what it looks like. And I think I'm going to start off with I'm going to use this color as a transition color here. But first I'm going to prime my eyes. I use my Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer as a primer. To set that concealer, I'm going to use my Marcel face powder. You can use it as like a setting powder. You could use it for whatever. And then I will dust off the excess. I'll be using this color here for the transition color. So my weekend was it was fun, but I didn't really do much. Friday, I went out with my friend and we went for Chinese. We got some spicy soup and I got an egg roll. And then after that, we picked up her brother and then we went to Clay Cafe. And her little brother painted one of those little pottery things. And then I went with her when she went to go get some groceries, and then she dropped me off at the mall. And then I met up with my other friend. And then we looked around the mall. And then we went to go to eat at a restaurant. And the restaurant was pretty good. They had really good chicken wings. My friend got chicken parmesan. It's like a live band playing. And they weren't too bad. I don't really care for live bands, but they weren't annoying or anything, like most of them are. We were just deciding places, and I was like, oh, we should go to the casino. I haven't been there before. So we went to the casino, and oh my god, I did not expect for it to be that huge. I won my money back that I spent, and she won a bunch of money. After that, she just dropped me off at home, and I don't think I did much after that when I got home. And then I had to work Saturday and Sunday. tomorrow, you guys might not know, but I like to go thrifting. And tomorrow, one of my favorite stores is having 50% off. So I'm gonna go there early in the morning so I can get my hands on the good stuff. I usually like to go thrifting by myself because I can take my time and I don't really have to worry about anyone else. Even though sometimes it is fun to go thrifting with other people, but I'd rather go shopping by myself, to be honest. Kind of darken up the crease with this brown shade here, right above the black one. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with one of my MAC palettes, this one here. And it's called Copper Lux. You can't find it in stores anymore because they discontinued it, but you could probably find it on like eBay or Amazon or something. And I'm gonna be using the shade here. I'm gonna go in with my bullet brush. So I'm going to take a different brush. It's from BH Cosmetics. It's the number 24 brush. And then we're going to blend it out. Mario Badescu Rosewater Spray. Now, I'm going to be going in with that gold, this gold color here in the middle and applying it. And I think I'm going to go in with this gold one here from the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Artistry palette. And we'll see what kind of effect that gives us. I'm going to go in with my Benefit Pore Professional. And I got this from my friend for my birthday, and I appreciate her so much. Like, this is so nice. She got me like a little kit. The lighting keeps on changing because the sun keeps going up, then it keeps going down. And I'm filming in front of my window. So I got my eyes done and I put some eyeliner on, I put lashes on. So now it's time to finally do the face. So to conceal, I'm going to go in with my Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. So now I'm going to use my Fit Me Maybelline foundation in the shade Toffee in 330. So now that I've finished applying my foundation, I'm going to take my other foundation that's in a darker shade and I'm gonna use it to contour. So now we have to blend it. After I contoured with that liquid, I'm gonna go on top with the powder just to set it. Now I'm gonna take my Forever 21 palette, my contour and blush palette, and I'll go in with that darkest shade. So now we're gonna clean that up with some setting powder. I'm gonna go back in with my Marcel powder. Am I pretty yet? And now I'm just gonna dust all this powder off. I'm gonna take this bronzing illuminating one, and I like to put this before the powder because it sets like a good base for it. So I'll go back into that Forever 21 blush and contour palette, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. Now blend it in a little bit. This brush is just an angle blush and powder brush. Now we can go in with that highlighter and just go crazy with it. Now for the lips, I'm gonna go in with my Sephora liquid lip color, and it's called Scarlet Luster. Not sure if you can see it. So this is my first time trying it. It glides right on. So this is really pretty. I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It looks like I'm finished my makeup now. This look actually turned out really good. Comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. I'm actually really liking this look. Like, this is so pretty. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.